Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can unblock messages on Android. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, open the messages application on your phone. And after opening it, here you'll have to tap on your profile icon right here. So after doing that, here you can get the option of spam and blocked. Tap on it. And then in here you'll get all of the account that you have blocked. So in order to unblock it, here you'll have to tap on this three-dot bar right here. And then tap on blocked numbers. So after doing that, you will see the number of the person that you have blocked, and you'll also see a cross icon right here. All you have to do is tap on this cross icon just like this, and then tap on unblock. After doing that, here you can see we have successfully unblocked the person. In here you can see you don't even have that person's name on the spam or blocked list. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.